Hello mga langga! Welcome back to Sweet Lover Channel. For today's video is magbuhat mi o pandesal. Ano siya ang mga ingredients? Fine breadcrumb. Nanawa ko. Nag-prepare siya sa iyahang gamit. Dahil hairnet. Sa pa na dahil? Is apron. Hand towel. Syukot. Need man naman syukot dito sa classroom. Pag-syukot. Ingredients sa pandesal, no? We're making later we're making a pandesal. So ano siya ang fine breadcrumb, buttercup. So i-melt na mo ni karon, then Alaska evaporated milk. So we have yeast, egg, and salt. Class na flour. So, naka-prepare na ang among mga ingredients. Muna hitsura sa among classroom. So guys, as we can see here, we have a preparation tools like a utility tray, this one, and then we have a pastry brush, this one, rubber brush, and then we have a flour sifter, this one, flour sifter, and then we have a rolling pin, wood rolling pin, this one, and then this one also is flour sifter, and then we have a mixing tools like egg beater, this one egg beater, and then we have wooden spoon, that one wooden spoon, and then we have also a mixing bowl like this one mixing bowl, and then we have a cutting tools like knife, dough cutter, kitchen shears. Okay, and then the other side we have a baking equipment like oven used for baking, heating, or drying food. Those are a baking equipment here. Okay, and then we have ref at the right side, this one, and then we have here also a preparation tools like utility tray. Okay, that one. Then also we have here a blender, and then char, naka-prepare na siya, oh, ready to cook na siya. Gani. So mag-prepare namin sa among suoton. Gani. So mga langga, those are my classmates.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. And then you're not cooking the peppers.
Sorry din namin. Ako ba sorry din. So, pag-alis na mo guys. Hi guys. So guys, we are already prepared a mixing tools, cutting tools, and preparation tools, and then our teacher instruct what we will do and instruct the procedure for baking. So let's go guys.
Your personal towel, right? Okay, for this towel, white towel for the equipment. Okay, then kaning ito are for the lamisa, yung sulit. Okay, so kanang ito ang ginagamit nga mga tools kasi sa ito. Ano ang ginagawa na?
as you can see here, we have bowl cover with dumpling cloth already kneading the dough. Then now we will waiting 1.5 hours until the dough double in size. Then later we do shaping the dough. So guys, we start shaping the dough. Then we will cut it into equal size. Then dredge with the breadcrumbs. And then place on greased baking sheets with one side of each piece facing up, about 2.5 cm apart. After that, let it rise until double its size. Then bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes to bake. Okay. So diri guys is ipainit na ni ma'am ang oven para mag-bake na. Okay. This time is kahulat mi maluto na ang pandesal. Okay, big guys sila ako mga classmates. Nasa si ma'am, nag-checking niya si ma'am sa among mga attire. Okay. Nasa si ma'am, beautiful. Pagpang na mga teacher.
Hi guys! Jasmine! Ingat po ko na yung bulan. Ingat po ko na yung
Bye.